Hi guys, this is another Cheerdown EDC must-have video. Today we're talking about flashlights. Okay, I have a few here. I have this police security uh, mini one with a bezel. I guess you can call it tactical, even though really don't care to use that word. Uh, it has the striking bezel on it. You know use it to enhance your uh, striking techniques. Okay, I have the 4/7 Preon 2. This has a few different functions on it. Low, high, now that I'm on camera, it won't do it, but it does have a strobe feature. Okay, very portable. It fits in your shirt pocket. And for a keychain light, a Swiss Tech uh, light that also functions as a smartphone stand. Okay, really simple. Um, and it's pretty bright for what it is. Okay, one of the benefits of having a light on you, which I didn't used to carry a light, but thinking about it and being in certain situations where, hey, I wish I had a light, I started carrying the keychain thing and the Preon 2 when I'm going to rotate the uh, other one in there as well. Uh, it's really handy, obviously at night if you go into a place and it's still daylight, and you come out and go, oh, it's getting dark and it's not a good area. I wish I had a flashlight. Okay, so one benefit. Another benefit, I don't know if this happened to anyone else, but have you ever been in one of those big electronic stores and they have all those displays going at once, and then the lights short out and it gets dark? It's happened to me and Mom Uncle Cow. So that's another really good reason to have a flashlight. If that happens, it's really, just a bit of peace of mind. Okay. Also at home, obviously, I have the mag light in my emergency bag, like you saw in that video. So uh, there's that option. But EDC wise, I would go with something like this. If fits in your pocket, this goes in your pocket, and obviously the keychain light can go on the keychain and go in your pocket, purse, or whatever. Okay. Uh, Self-defense wise, if you get something like this and you're holding it like this, you know, boom, 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 run away. Okay. I would only advocate striking with a flashlight that has a striking bezel, at least with the light portion. If it's longer, like a mag light, you can use it for a baton, but you'll probably break your light in the process. But at that point, who cares, right? Uh, so a few more benefits for it. Also, what I do is when the power goes out, I take the flashlight to my room with me and then stand it up like a candle, so you know it shines and I can see what I'm doing. A few more added benefits. Okay, so carry a flashlight. If you have an EDC bag, uh, carry extra batteries. If you EDC a light and don't have a bag, make sure you maintain your battery, or at least keep an eye on your uh, light battery needs. Okay, and also for my overseas subs who can't even carry a blade for self defense or most anything, at least carry a light. Okay, that'll give you something to use if need be. Carry a light. Okay, guys. Uh, just a few thoughts on chair-bound uh, EDC options. Okay, I did not end up going to the 24-hour lock-in. I went to the doctor that morning and because of all my coughing and found out I had a mild case of bronchitis. So I did not end up going. Uh, Thanks to a few days of heavy antibiotics, uh, it's, see, it's slowly going away. Really? Yeah, it's going away. Because of the scoring on my lungs from when I was a baby, when they shoved the breathing tubes down my throat so I could breathe. Uh, my lungs were scarred, and it makes me more susceptible to uh, things like bronchitis, the common cold, pneumonia. They first thought this was pneumonia. Thank God it wasn't. Otherwise, I'd be in bigger trouble. But yeah, I did not end up going on to that. So do not have a breaking video. I'm really bummed about that. I spent like $90 to pay for that. Hopefully, I can either get my money back or roll that over into something else. That's one of the downfalls of the whole SSI thing. If I spend money on something but then have to get a refund, it's really not a good idea to put that back into my account that raises flags and uh, could cause problems. So I'm gonna have to see what I can do. Uh, so yeah, that did not happen. Uh, Other than that, guys, keep my birthday special. Uh, keep requesting things from my birthday special. Uh, Only have a few from Dish Bronson and Wushu Richard. Uh, would would like a couple more. You can request as many things as you want. You can request anything you want as long as it's YouTube legal. Uh, and let's make this thing as huge as I can at least. Still can't find my flip camera. Uh, don't know where that is. So whatever. Uh, so that's why I'm using the webcam. And the dummy is almost done. As soon as I can grab Mama Uncle Cow in a very good mood, we'll try to finish that. So, stay tuned, guys. Send me those requests. If anyone wants to help me out, info on how to do that will be below. Even if it's just a little bit, it helps. With everything I have to deal with, uh, everything helps. Like I would say, be safe and don't do anything I wouldn't do.